have we got a double treat for you. We have just received the Rage 1800 snow machine, not a sponsor, from BeamZ. Beautiful machines. BeamZ Ice 1200, which of course is the ice maker. Low-lying fog. We're going to unbox these and you're going to have to check them out. Alright, here we go. This is what's inside the box. We've got the power extension cord. You can see there on the top. We've got the foam stuff. And we got the box. It comes out like that. Oh, look at that. I'm stronger than I thought. So we've got the foam stuff on here. You've got the plastic bag, which I hate. Why are you guys still using plastic bags? The foam I don't mind so much because we can do something with that later on. But let's crack in and have a look what it's like. So there she is. So this is the BeamZ Ice 1200 Mark II low-lying fog machine. Just checking something here. So in here, this is where we unscrew this little thing. We've got instructions somewhere. They'll probably be in here. So we just lift this up. And this here is where your ice goes. Yeah, I'm not really happy about the quality of that though. That's a bit weird. Well, the quality's bloody good otherwise, apart from little things. Like I don't believe that there. See that green wire there? That's the earth wire. That probably shouldn't be in there. So what we're going to do, it's in the way. So we're just going to try and move it out of the way. See if we can't get rid of it. We'll worry about that later. So we've got the front here, quite easy controls, on off. The plug, there we go. The plug's here. Look at that, in another plastic bag. Why are you guys still using soft plastics? Please stop it. Pet peeve. There we go, we've got the control unit there. There's no remote control with this one, I didn't get that one. But let's have a look at the back. And then later on, we're going to come back and have a look at it in operation. In the meantime, we'll have a look at the snow machine. I'll be back in a tick. And there you go, you can quite clearly see here. We've got the Rage Snow 1800. Again, I'm going to drop that. Did you see that? That would have been an oops. Again, soft plastics, metal bracket there for hanging it on the roof, I guess. Also, we've got here, you can see a really good extension cord with the operation manual. Operating controller. And that one. And this one here, you can quite clearly see we've got the remote control, a couple of bolts in there in the plug for the machine. We'll just take the soft plastic off again, which, as you know, I hate. There it is. There's your liquid container there. You see the back here, you've got your remote button, your DMX out if you're using that, power button, in button. Nice clear level here, you can see exactly empty smoke fluid, see, empty smoke fluid. And you've got the little cap thing here so you can't lose this. In the front of the machine, we'll turn it around like that for you. Look at the mess over there. There we go. So this comes out here. It's a really good quality machine. Again, we're going to test this so you can see what it actually looks like in real life instead of those other YouTube channels who go, hey, we don't know what we're doing. Neither do we. We're just an average person. I'm Pepsi, MKC Displays. We're going to check these out soon.